Is it the HTS code that determines what PGA is required for a commodity? Now, these don't really have to do with exams, but we might as well answer them right now.
Absolutely. Yes. At the end of the day, the number that your broker plugs into the system is what flags a PGA for being required or not required. Something that is in chapter, one of the lower chapters that are food are going to flag for FDA and possibly USDA, whereas something that's in chapter 73, which is steel and iron and steel, I believe, is not going to flag for FDA most likely, unless it's in one of those what we call catch-all tariffs, which is other items of iron or steel, other. The tariff is what is going to require you to claim or disclaim PGA information.
Excellent.